What's going on? Boom, 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 boom. What up, everybody? Yo, how was your lunch? How was your lunch? Dude, I had my peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I had some good old BB&J. Let's bring it all up. Get ready to smash some boom, 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 boom. Man, fucking market. Tomorrow we got CPI. We're probably going to move smoothly after that. I'm waiting. Damn, we're coming all the way down. What do you think, 85? Where they hold it right here? Market, don't go sideways because I need cash now. Yeah. I caught some of this before. Why I like this was that we dumped, we came back up, and we got when we came up, we made a high over this high, and then we didn't make a new low. That then when we got up right here, I took a long. Just made sense. What up, Josh? Solid day, yeah. You up? I'm guessing you're up. I am definitely going to smash some accounts tomorrow during CPI. Smash or pass? So I want to see this come down right to basically this trend line and the VWAP. I don't think it is. This is just an eval, people. So I don't want to hear you be like, oh, why are you doing that? It's just an eval. What up, Chad? Dude, are we going to get to 928? I would probably say no. Most likely no. Dude, You don't even want to know what I'm doing also. I got to figure out how to sell it. I keep betting on the weather, and I've been right every single month so far. I bet on snow and rain every single month through I don't know if I could say the website on here, but it starts with a K, KA, and I feel like the odds are not. There's definitely a loophole. There's definitely when the weather forecast changes, it does not accurately represent the change on the marketplace. So you are able to take advantage of it. I'm not going to get into it on here, but I'm telling you that you could take advantage of it and make money. You bet the moon comes out later on? Yeah. I want to say I made like 5 to 7 bets on the platform, and I'm 100% right so far. Just throwing it out there. It's very just throw. It's one of those things that I'm one of those people that will take advantage of anything. Like I will play the market because I feel like I have an edge. I'll play options because I feel like I have an edge. I will continue to bet this weather because I feel like I have an edge, because when the forecast changes, it doesn't change it on the website instantly. So there is an edge to be had. Yeah, in coins and stuff like that. Yeah. Listen, I'm that type of person. That's why people are like, "Oh, like you don't make all your money with like futures." I'm like, "No, man. I see an opportunity where you can have an edge in anything, and that's where I put my money." Why am I betting so big on this trade? Oh, this because I'm in an eval. It's only an eval, and it's 150,000 eval. Why I liked it? I took it right off of the orb, which is also the high right here, and right under it you had the 200. So I felt like we'd get some type of bounce. Just playing support resistance. How this market is, Kevin, I don't know. Like I'm already up in this funded account. I don't know if I'm going to trade any more funded accounts in this market until tomorrow. I'll trade this one to try to get it back, but the setups just aren't. It's not really there to start playing real money or going for payouts. Holy shnikes. Dude, I'm going to grab a Celsius in a little bit, but you had Jerome Powell talking for 2 hours. You had a lot of Fed presidents talking. There's a lot of things that are going on that you may not know about, and it's just one of those things. I am going to play CPI news tomorrow. I'm going to play CPI tomorrow at 8:30. I am most definitely going to play one of these 150K accounts because that will get me like $4,000, $5,000. If you were here earlier, Kevin, we called the top. I don't know if you were in here. We literally called the top here. I had 2 indicators flash sell signals, and on the 5-minute chart, and you would have grabbed the top. And then we were literally talking about shorting this whole time. Push it, baby. Come on. Get over the 34, kind of break this downtrend. I mean, I'm going to take this probably like here, $300. I'm just chipping away losses. All good. All good. I like to use indicators. You know, people call it models, whatever you want to call it. But like, I like taking back tested data, forward testing it, and then seeing that it works. And then like it takes all the guesswork out of trading. I literally just follow the rules. Hey, if this happens and that happens, you go short, here's your stop. Don't even have to look at it. You start off with the Lux Algo 3-bar reversal pattern, and then you throw in bearish engulfing candles. And then your stop is the top of the 3-bar. And if you buy like 2, you take profit at 10 points, and then you move to break even. Keith, they have it. Hedge funds use it. There's a hedge fund called Renaissance Technologies that was right down the block from where I used to live that is well known, that had something that traded for them. I mean, they just black box trading software, quant. I think like 90 something percent of the market is actually computer trades. I'm sure that's out there. Look, there's got to be a futures trading bot. I see a couple. You know, yeah, Simmons, right? Well, what was his first name? He just died. Yeah, Jim Simmons. Yeah. Dude, not only were they beating the market, they were like, his returns were so crazy that I know people in the industry that think something's going to come out one day about it being wrong, or they think he's like literally part of the government. Like that it's just a place where the government would put their money and kind of give them all this information before it happens, and they were trading government money. I've heard a couple people say a couple different things about it. It's interesting though. I mean, they beat the market by a lot for a very long time. Yo, what up, Corey? Everything work out yesterday? Oh, man. It's almost Celsius time. They obviously cheated. Dude, I don't know. The guy was like a math whiz. But what's so weird is their fund is located out in Setauket, and there's no other financial industry out there. They are the only one that's out there. Nice, man. Death Wish coffee. I've had that before. Yeah, yes, that is true, Horizon. He was the first guy. Yo, he was the first guy to do it. It's very interesting. And if you ever go, like I lived out there. A lot of the employees live over there, and they're just fucking wealthy. My cousin had a job offer to work there and declined. He was an aerospace engineer. I don't know. I've never tried any of those bots. Bull Breakers, where in LI were you? I mean, there's a lot of trading bots out there. I don't know if they're any good. You know, I can't tell you. I've never tried them. I listen, it has piqued my interest in the past to be like, I wonder if this is good. But oh geez. Duh. That's crazy. There's no fucking market for there's no market for my snow. I went to sell out. In the woods. I was in Brookhaven. Oh, I know. Yeah. Shirley, Core. Yep, I know exactly what it is. Yes, Horizon. So his fund was closed to outsiders. It was only people that worked there. And that's why like conspiracies have popped up that the government was behind it because the government was giving them money and they didn't need outside money because they were using government money. Yeah. Cove's course coming soon. Yeah. I will say I'm going on Topstep. So I'll be on Topstep March 10th. You'll see me on Topstep. I got to get a good shirt to wear though. Got to be something good. Dude, I'm going to go have some fun. I got to get a funded account though. So I got to get, at some point, I have to fire up some evals and pass them because I want to trade a funded account on the TV. So, bro, fade me on the stream. Yo, fade me on it. But I just put in the calendar date today, so it will be March 10th is the date, Monday at 2 p.m. What up, Walter? So I got to make bad trades. I'm gonna go in 5 minis on the stream though. while we're on it, they're probably gonna be like, "Are you looking to make a trade right now?" I'm gonna be like, "Yeah, why not?" Boom, 5 minis, and we're just gonna go long. We're just gonna slam it. Oh, we're gonna break out of this little flag. Look at this. Back in the chat like quack. Bro, where is that guy? I got to get hit. He's got to get on the chat with me. Duck race, baby. For the Ducks. So weird. It only picks it up when my hand goes and touches it. My hand goes off of it, touches it. So weird. Get a big account with the most contracts. And what? Just go in with like, oh, I'm going in with 17 minis. Buckle up, everybody. Oh, that was a nice freaking hit. Nice trend break to the upside. That would be funny. But like, yo, I'm just going to go in small, guys. And I just hit it to 17 minis. And I'll be like, yo, I'll be right back. And I'm just in 17 minis with a funded account. And all you see is my chair with the big rubber duck just sitting there like this. Oh, man. Don't fall. That was a good little scalp-a-do right there. Yo, that account was down like 2 G's just before. When you're playing with those 150 accounts, man, money comes and goes so quick. Market, don't go so. So I'm just going to put I'm wondering if you guys are playing. If you guys, I may or may not, I don't know. We'll see what happens. Maybe I'll just come live on Discord real quick instead of lighting up, instead of firing up YouTube. If there's enough people that are going to play it, maybe I'll jump on Discord live and I'll share my screen on there if you want to play the news, and then I'll just hop off. If anybody wants to go on the Discord channel, that's it. So I don't have to get on all like the whole YouTube thing. It would just be Discord. Dude, it's like rough, man. You know what I missed before? Look, we bounced right off the pivot point. I'm sure some of you guys, somebody got it. But when we dropped, we literally came to the pivot point and bounced. I didn't have it on the chart that was up. So I completely missed it. But I have since added it. Been testing a scalping strategy with some success. 4 minis. 11 take profit, 39 stop loss. Get 200 or lose 800. Kron, what makes you go in though? Like, are you just buying randomly, or what are you doing? Like, what's making you buy? you looking at like setups or? Yo, I need a Celsius so bad. This guy will be right there. I'll be right back. I'm going to grab a Celsius. Nobody knows. Nobody knows what. Most likely entering in the retest pullback of a big candle in the direction of the trend. If it works, it works. I play the market depending on my bowel movements. Jeez. Damn, I almost just spilt this fucking thing. Oh, another day, guys. Another day. I'll be honest with you, fucking environment sucks. Oh, did you see Topstep is going to start banning people on their platform? Dude, they're going to start banning people. I saw a whole email about it. I guess it's like a scammer schemer email. People are profiting off the platform. You want me to read it? I'll read it. I'll read it to you guys. Yo, yeah. So here it is. At Topstep, we pride ourselves on being transparent with the community, whatever, to maintain a fair and level playing field. We've heavily invested in our monitoring systems. This is to ensure that our program benefits serious traders who are here to grow. In doing so, we've identified a small percentage of participants, less than 1%, who are more focused on exploiting the program rather than improving their trading. So I guess they're gonna ban those people. And for you to read the Trader's Pledge. Yeah. I don't know how you can. So I don't actually understand how you can exploit the platform if you can only buy or sell. Like, it's based off of real life. So I don't understand how they're exploiting it. If you know how they're exploiting it, can somebody tell me so I can go exploit it somewhere else? Nathan, that's the ultimate resource holder. Start banning people. Yeah, it seems like I don't know. Honestly, you know what I think is happening, if I had to guess? Because Topstep has they have the end of day drawdown. I think some people are going to get an account there and on day one just going all in and praying it goes their way. They probably go 3 to 5 minis at open. Like say today we opened, they probably go like 3 to 5 minis. They hold it for a massive gain and then they sell out. And if it goes against them, they blow the account and they just do it again until you get that big debt. KFA, jump into that long. It was nice. I sold out way too early. I sold out for baby gains. Unbelievable. Damn, man. Somebody figure out how to exploit the slippage. Dude, that was a nice pop. I was in freaking right here too, and I sold. Baby oil gains. Yo, I got them baby oil gains. They want to collect money as close to risk-free as possible and limit payouts. I mean, listen, it's not just Topstep. Like, I don't think you guys realize, or people don't realize, that it's you against them. Like, they're not helping you out. Like, I saw people defending a prop firm saying that they're changing rules to make you a better trader. Like, bro, are you fucking on crack? No one's changing stuff to make you a better trader. It's making it harder for payouts so they keep more money. That's all it is. It's a money thing. At least Matt from My Funded Futures comes out and tells you it's a money thing. Like when they raise prices, he literally said it's to make sure we keep going forward. At least he's honest about it. Bro, this is a weird day. Big move. Ton of chop, move, ton of chop, move. Yo, we're here. Yo, they've said that. We're here to make you help the trader, make you a better trader. The craziest thing. Yo, they gave you your account back? Now you like them again? Yo, I'm going to show you. So you've seen this whole thing with Patrick, right? You've seen the whole Patrick thing? The Twitter beef? So Patrick, oh my God. Can you not see that? You can't see that shit. I'm going to have to fucking send this to myself. I'm going to show you. I can't find his fucking tweet because he tweets too many fucking times. All right. So here you go. I'm going to bring it on here. So I told Patrick about his Twitter beef, saying, it was funny because they weren't even talking about it. I was like, if this guy has a community and he's teaching people how to trade and he starts a prop firm, his first clients are the people he's teaching how to trade, which would put his prop firm out of business. But that's not the case. And it makes no sense. You can't teach people how to trade and then also your prop firm be profitable because your traders would crush you. That's what I thought about. I think that's a little conflict of interest. Only goes up. Yo, Danny trades talking about the numbers don't lie and he can just get in at any point without looking at a chart and the numbers don't lie. I have no fucking idea what he's talking about. I've never heard of that in my life. You just look at the numbers and the numbers lie. Listen, he's definitely way out there, but I don't think you should teach people. I don't think you should charge people to trade and run a prop firm at the same time. I think that's a little conflicty, personally. I know. Well, yeah, he stopped streaming because I don't think you can do both. It's kind of because if you get smoked on the stream, you actually make a ton of money at the same time. Yo, good day for me. I'm finally on the right track after a month of freaking out. I just have to do it also. Also, I'm going to come. Yo, how big are you up, Joe? Did you see the screenshots from PW this morning? He was trading a demo account, expected he lost. Yeah. I don't get involved in all that BS stuff. Like, they all say, I tell you, don't, I mean, you got to say don't follow trades. You know, none of us are financial advisors. Danny was telling people to follow him. Tomorrow, Vicious, tomorrow morning at 8:30. Was he? I know nothing about him personally, just so you are aware. I know not one thing about Danny. I think when he talks, he's definitely not the best speaker in an interview. That I can tell you. You know, I think, you know, you've seen it. Yeah, you got to just be honest about it. You know, definitely got to be honest about it. It's so funny because I've been trading online for so long. There's so many people that come and go. You know, literally there's so many people that come and go through the years. I can tell you a lot of people. There's only a handful who've stayed the course of time. Yeah, Vicious. CPI's tomorrow morning at 8:30, bro. Time to slam those accounts. CPI is tomorrow at 8:30, and PPI is Thursday. Got to get them views. Got to get those views up. When is POV? That's tonight. My camera's charging right now. I got my GoPro for my head. You got your X locked? What'd you say to get it locked? How do you get it locked? I didn't know you can get your X locked. What will be my take profit? I mean, I can't even. I'm going to look for 15 points, but I don't know where we're going to be at. My ex. I asked the guy if he warmed his throat up before. Oh, I didn't know you can get. I didn't know you can. You know, I wrote. Somebody wrote why the beef started, and I said it sounds like they crossed swords at a threesome and they just couldn't get over it. Yo. Oh man. Oh, he blocked you. Yo, made 40K in paper trading. Does that count? I have a Discord. Little flag break to the top. I'm just scalping. There's no real setup. But yeah. I mean, listen, is it entertaining? Yes. Yo. Oh, always, Joseph. But it's fucking, I'm not even getting into it. You're gonna get me canceled over here. You're definitely gonna get me canceled. I'll just stick to what's the next trade? Dude, when I was younger, like 12 years ago, some girl wouldn't stop bugging me and my brother to go hang out with her. We didn't. We did not. Yeah. Oh, man. Yep. Still friends with her on Facebook. Crazy stuff, man. Crazy stuff. It's just drama. I can imagine. I don't think I actually know anybody who's a twin. Oh, that's how you can tell the market is slow, how the chat's going. I can't believe I didn't have the pivot point up. We literally touched the pivot point and bounced. That would have been a perfect freaking trade for the day. Identical. I wish. You kind of have a rising wedge, to be honest with you. This is definitely a rising wedge. Here you go. Or more of a channel, I guess. Yo, yesterday, hey, I'm new here. Forex nurse. I'm gonna come. I was like, geez, man. I'm new here. I'm enjoying the trading community. Hey, everybody. I'm gonna come. I'm like, oh, geez. Dude, that shit was funny, man. I laughed so hard. How's the chat going? Oh, damn. Tesla's stock is down almost 6% today. Tesla's stock is just getting murked. Oh, baby. That's crazy. I'm like, yeah. I didn't have to argue with my daughter to get dressed today. It was a good day. I like this to the downside. Yeah, I mean, the earnings were not great for his stock, but yeah, they're probably trying to fry him. Yo, by the way, did you guys see this 5-minute alert right here, right before we ripped? I was on the freaking phone and didn't catch it. Oh, 3 months, bro. You gotta, yo, you're gonna have no issues. Once she starts turning 8 is when the fucking sass starts coming out. Once she starts hitting 8, you're gonna be like, oh, geez. RW gets in the way? What's RW? Duh. I'm not looking forward to it. I mean, yeah. Oh, real work? Yeah. Yeah. Emil, what I do for CPI is when a challenge is almost crippled, like 100 left, I stop trading it and wait to dump into a CPI bracket. Yeah. I mean, I'm with you. ICPI, I'm gonna run a couple accounts on CPI. Yo, what up, Peter? What up? Josh, you got 4? I'm one of 4. I got 3 brothers. I got 3 brothers. Dude, growing up, there was 4 boys. My dad used to just tell us, go into the basement and figure it out. How have you been, Peter? Is Topstep going to ban traders? Some traders that have been doing bad stuff. Mama Cove? Dude. Mama Cove had patience. Mama Cove definitely had patience. I'm liking this to the downside as well, Sean, which means it's probably going to rip our faces off. I would probably stop out like here, though. Why I like it to the downside is that we swept the highs with this, and now it's kind of falling apart. I'm liking this more and more to the downside. Come on, fucking fill me. Take 1 away. Last news on Friday almost blew the accounts. What the fuck was that? Are you kidding me? Bro. We were 1 point away from taking me out. Are you shitting me? That was definitely a Fed speaker saying some shit right there. That's wild. Dude, that's crazy. That was crazy. Did I get a 1099 from Apex? I did get a 1099 from Apex. On the bright side, it didn't hit your stop loss. No, I'm out. I got stopped out. I got smoked. I got smoked. Literally, it missed taking profit by 1 point. So technically, you don't even need one, to be honest with you. As long as you claim the money on your tax return, you're fine. Dude, that was super BS. I missed it by a point. So I'm on double secret probation. They put me on double secret probation. If you don't know where that's from, it's from Animal House. It's an old movie. Double secret probation. But no, I'm not worried about anything. You know, I've gotten payouts from them. I'm fine. I'm fine with them. Dude, Animal House was a classic. Dude, I just get fucking messages all day long. It was even before my time. I want to say it was like Animal House. It was made in probably like the 70s, 80s. Animal. 1978 it was made. I wasn't even alive. Yeah, I wasn't even alive, and they had the movie. If you've never seen it, it's worth it. It's like it's just a classic movie. You know, yeah, Footloose. It's one of, like, when you watch it, you could tell it's old, but you know, it's definitely worth watching at least once. Yeah, Weekend at Bernie's. Caddyshack was good. They don't make movies like that anymore. They don't make movies like Billy Madison, Happy Gilmore, or like Wedding Crashers. They don't make movies like that anymore. It's very, I don't know. Cove got faked out. I did get faked out. Definitely won't be the last time I got faked out. Me? No. Nope. I'm 41. I was born in 83. I've seen these movies, but it was before my time. Market, don't go sideways because I need cash now. To 77 Fast and Furious. Family. I thought Marvel movies were cool. Like, they finally were able to make like a Marvel universe. But I think it was just like they built up this massive storyline of like Thanos. And then once that was over, they haven't been able to recreate this massive buildup of a storyline anymore. Blazing Saddles, I seen that. I didn't even know this, but there's a movie service that you can watch all the new movies the day they come out at your house. It's called like Beverly Hills something like that. Super expensive, but they have it. I didn't really have it. Dude, you only watch me at the bathroom. Josh, they have that Black Hawk Down documentary thing on Netflix that just came out. I haven't watched it, but it just came out with the real people from it. Cove, is that the duck? Is he a he or a she? By the looks of things, I would say it's a she. My boy's not packing any heat. Sponsored by P Hub. Gotta watch the China Hustle if you've never seen it. And yo, Sean, you notice another good one you should watch? The Restless Billionaire. It's about Carl Icahn. That's a really good one too. The Restless Billionaire. And it talks about Icahn's life and the deals he's done. I don't know. I know it's on Max. Dude, I'm about to blow this fucking account. It's on Max. I don't know if it's on Prime. Watch. It says you can watch it on Amazon Prime. See if it's on Prime. They based the original Gordon Gekko was based off of Carl Icahn. It's called The Restless Billionaire. Here, I'll put it in the chat. But yeah, Restless Billionaire. It's really good. Really, it's not as good as the China Hustle, but it is good. He was like the original corporate reader, or one of. I'm trying to think of some other good ones that I've seen that I'm like, man, you should watch it. Dude, this chop is brutal. I was trying to look at the higher time frames to see like, hey, where are we going to go? But everything kind of leads me to believe we're going to fucking drop. Oh, I was just going to freaking sell it too. I might save this account for CPI tomorrow. It's going to be my CPI account. We'll see what happens. I did not watch any congressional Q&A. I did not. Fuck it. I'm in. No stop loss. I think it's just going to ride this channel. I'm targeting the top of the channel maybe. Lib's getting mad. Their money's getting shut off. I bet. I bet. Gonna full port a take profit trade here. I get rebuild tomorrow. Yo, if you're getting rebuild tomorrow, I would smash. I would smash it. Smash it like it's Saturday night. It's 3 a.m. Let's go. Bum, 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 bum. Flash Crash. Yo, I've been trying to watch that. Where can you watch Flash Crash at, Horizon? Dude, because Elon Musk is co-president. Dude, you have no idea how they're using hotels and shit. It's wild. And getting money. What nicotine do I use? I don't have any nicotine. YouTube? I don't have YouTube TV. Do I need YouTube TV or I just watch it on YouTube? Wait, I see CT. What nicotine do you use? And then I see no Cove Trade, no CT. I don't know. I'm confused. Oh, CT trading. Oh, Zin. Dude, that Zin, I don't know who owns Zin, but man, people are using Zin all over the place. There is a new one, Velo, might switch. I'm a cheap. I've never heard of Velo. Dude, I can't do that nicotine stuff, man. That stuff gets crazy. Dudes used to do the when you snap the tobacco thing. They used to put like sambuca in the tobacco and then chew it or put it in there, put lips in during baseball with freaking liquor in it. This does not look great at all. Look, it traded right back into the breaker block and then just died. It's actually a nice trade. Get in at 24. Might have spent 50 G's on Cope. Oh, geez. Four Locos. Bro, I saw a stat on Four Loco. It was like drinking like a cup of coffee and it had all this shit. It was crazy. I mean, this is the trend we're holding this trend line that we've held so many times. So let's see what happens. The original Four Locos, baby. Hacks, are you in anything right now? I haven't really found like an A+ setup today, really. I would have taken that off the pivot point, but I didn't have it on my screen. I kind of dropped the ball on that. You just covered short. I know there's more Fed. I know there's more speakers right now, actually. Economic calendar. Today's what, Tuesday? You got Fed President Williams speaks at 3:30, and Fed Governor Bauman speaks at 3:30. Bowman. Tomorrow we got CPI at 8:30, and then Powell's back at 10. And then you got PPI and jobless on Thursday. And then Friday you have import price, retail sales, There's a lot of data at 8:30 the next 3 days. BTC is pooping the pants. Life's a gamble, Yan. You're either going to win it or lose it. We'll see what happens. You know? I am going to roll the dice. Any earnings today? I'll let you know right now. Coca-Cola and Shop were this morning. Dude, what's Shop doing? Is Shop was this morning? Shop's up $5. Hood is tomorrow night. There's nothing else that's going to move the market, really. Cisco is tomorrow night. TTD is tomorrow night. I think the major earnings are pretty much done. The ones that are going to like really move the market. Yeah, Joseph, that's kind of what I was hoping for, was like a trend day where like, you know, you could just kind of get in and just, you know, buy the dips. BTD, they might be at the end of the month. Let me see. I mean, there's a couple that are left. I'm just saying in general. I'm just saying generally speaking, you know, you had Microsoft, Google, Amazon, like Meta. I feel like those are going to move. You know, you're pretty much done. Am I just going to get out of this shit? I'm out. I'm out. Sure. Watch it. It's going to bounce now. Oh, this account fucking cannot catch a break. I don't know. Yeah, that, I mean, it's been a while since you could just get in and just ride the trend. I will say, though, we've called the top 2 days in a row here. Neither one did I hold long enough. Like all 3 days from elections, dude. Those days after the election were crazy. Nah, we blew right through it, CT. That was this red line. Blew right through it. I would try at 806. See if they hold 806. It's the 200, getting close to 800. I just don't think there's really a I just don't think there's really much buying or selling going on. It's just pretty chopped. Here we go. Watch, it's not going to fill me. It was close. Doesn't fill me, then bounces. Come on. Time to smoke. Dude. This is the 34 on the 5 right here at 808. That looks pretty solid. Let's see if they hold it. They held it last time. Resistance, support. Let's see. Did Ray get kidnapped? Bro, I don't know where Ray is. I just scalped that. I'm just trying to get some breathing room for CPI tomorrow. I'm replacing Ray for now. Did I forward test the indicator? Net Baba, the indicator literally called the top. We were talking about on the stream this morning. It literally called the top right here to go short. You would have gotten a massive short call today. Massive, massive. You would have gotten in right around here, and you could have taken the whole short. Dude, Forex Nurse should be somewhere. They said they had a good time after you asked if after you told her you were going to come. I mean, you know, they were definitely like, I need to go back there. I'm going to be honest with you. Next time that pops up, I'm playing it full on every single time. Without a doubt, I'm playing it. Big move tomorrow. It's going to move. We're going to move tomorrow at 8:30. 100% it's going to move at 8:30. About to move one way or another. You got CPI at 8:30 tomorrow morning. I'm probably going to play this PA account, this PA account, and I'm probably going to play one of these 150K accounts. So I'll play 3 accounts on CPI tomorrow. I might go live on Discord instead of firing up YouTube for 20 minutes. I might just go live on Discord. So if you're not in the Discord, jump in, and I might just pop in there and share my screen. Up or down? Yes. I'm taking this at at right here, if we hit I'm taking it right here off of this. So if we hit it, we hit it. Yeah, Josh, I've done that. Fuck yeah. Dude, I've done everything you could think of. Everything that's just like, yeah, whatever, I've done it. I like, if there's news or something, I like taking those trades at like open and then letting it run like a lot of the night. You know, like if you have good earnings or something like that, I love those types of trades. I don't think overnight like tonight will really get you anywhere because it's going to wait for CPI tomorrow. But playing the retrace on what? Like if you have earnings and we open up, I usually just take it and hold it for the night. Come on, man. This fucking action. I play the I play the trend. So if they're good earning, I want to play to the upside. Oh, come on. What are we doing? China's opening. I can't. What do you play? The NKD? Is that what you play? I can't. I do not personally, but oh, is that what it is? Is that what you're playing though? Because yeah, well, what else can you play over there? I don't touch any of those other exchanges personally. Just throwing it out there. I'm looking for this right here. Can you even play China? I don't even know what China's is. What is it? FXI is the one over here. I never played futures that FXI or what is the other one? Are you shitting me? Come on. So I just played that in my I played that same trade in my Bullnox funded account for $310. I was just playing a quick scout. That's all I was looking for is size, big size. That was it. I'm gonna size down to 2. Let's see if it runs. If it doesn't, I've sized down. Yeah, see, I completely sized down. Raper just occurred. I'm like, dude, what happened? Just smoked. I mean, this market feels heavy. What's up, Joyce? Well, here we go. They're going to give a little bounce. Little bounce action. Dude, trading has been rough the last couple of sessions here. It's been real rough. Daddy got hose, smoked, ream drilled, and a few other things. It happens to the best of them. This thing ain't fucking bouncing. I'm out. I'm out. I sold. I'm out. This thing looks so freaking bad. Honestly, oh, why didn't it extend this? Yo, once you broke right here, that was pretty much the end of it. Got to pay the tax, baby. You got them tax, the NQ tax. I mean, I'll just be honest with you. This day is just. What's the setup here? Honestly, if we bounce and close over 796, I'm probably going to be in it. You know, I just know the numbers. I can just get in and out with the numbers. I don't even have to look. I just follow the numbers. Yeah, you're getting a bearish engulfing candle on the hourly, but you got 20 minutes left in the market. I'm going to take a shot at 71. Someone's not holding until tomorrow's CPI report. Oh, baby. I was just playing the bounce off the 200 on the 15 right here. See it? See it? Well, we made money, hopefully. I'm moving my stop all the way up here. Yo, did we just fucking grab that? Right there on the 15, you hit the 200. Just playing the bounce, playing the bounce. Higher time frames. Got to play them higher time frames. Grabbing cheeks, baby. I mean, listen, are we going to keep trending down? Can possibly just keep selling off. I mean, I was looking to grab just some points real quick. I'm not looking to marry it. I'm just looking to get in and get out. Algo candle in 8 minutes. Pull the trend line from 9 a.m. Oh, you're talking about this? Yeah. Yo, reversed and went short at the bottom. Whew. Yo, I'm going to smash fucking accounts tomorrow. Yo, there's still 17 minutes left before the market ends. And then you got after hours trading. Watch this thing just roll all the way over. Yo, you just got to take one good trade, Sean, with three minis. 1 3-mini trade, and you'll be back to even. You could be back to even in 30 seconds. Let's go. Can be liquidated in 15. You definitely could. You got 5 minutes and 30 seconds until MOC candle. Buckle up, Buttercup. It's about to get wild up in here. Just drop it. Come on. If I get stopped out, I only have two, so we'll see what happens. I want to see this thing drop to 720. So I got kids basketball tonight. Yeah, I don't trust any setups. I'm not trading a funded account. I can tell you that right now. Come on, baby. I do not trust this shit. I don't know. I'll be honest with you. I don't know the last time I traded some of these accounts. So I need to trade some of these accounts. Just keeping it real. You got to trade these accounts every so often. So I got to make a trade here. I don't know the last time I traded this account, and I don't want to lose it. If you don't use it, you could lose it. Oh, I would have just taken that. I would have for sure just taken fucking a couple bucks. Come on. I just got to get my trades in. I don't know the last time I did. That's why I got to just make a couple. I think those two accounts are the only two accounts. Let's go market. Not healthy. Yeah. Got to follow your trade plan. Yo, what up, caveman? What up, what up? I just want to get out before the freaking algo candle hoses me. Trying to build accounts, not wreck them. You know what I'm saying? Surviving.
We're going to win so much, you may even get tired of winning. And you'll say, please, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore.
Yeah, the markets didn't really move today. We just chopped around. CPI's tomorrow. Tomorrow morning at 8:30. Well, here's the algo candle. Let's see if the algo candle just dumps. You think it pumps? Yo, I just bracket traded that biatch. 825 bucks. I might start bracket trading the algo candles. Yeah, I might start bracket trading the algo candles. Anytime you can get movement, you could probably bracket trade this algo candle every day with 5 cons for 3 points every single time, which is $300 at least every day. Do I aim for 8 points? I don't. What did I get there? That time I got 8 points. But I bet I was just saying. I bet you can get 3 points every single time. I like volatility because you can make money when things are moving. The BE indicator called the top again. Yeah, 2 days in a row. Flip, 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 flip. Yo, we called the top in here 2 days in a row. We called it called right here, and yesterday it called the how many contracts and points. That's up to you. I went in 5 contracts, and I think you could probably get 3 points, which is $300 every day. I'm gonna start testing it. I will start testing it. This was the algo candle. So basically, I would take this candle, a break above this candle for 3 points, or a break below this candle for 3 points. That's how I would do it. Was there a stop loss? I think there was 10 points. Right? There's 10 point stop loss. Yep, 10 points. I could back test that because every day at 350 it happens. So I could do that every day, 350. If the candle breaks one way or the other off of this candle, how many times it works for 3 points? 3 points, 5 cons, $300. 3 points is only 12 ticks. Yo, Forex Nurse is back. Yo, what up? I like trades that are backed by stats. So if I back test this and the stats are good, where we're getting like an 80, 85% win rate, I'm all in on that. You know, I just think when you find trades like that, like I got a couple trades like that, when you find those trades, you can make a lot of money.
700 billion and $1,300 billion.
Something like that. What up, Josh? But if you've watched my videos, I'm now back testing and forward testing so many different types of strategies that if you just stick to the script, you should be profitable even if you're a brand new trader and know nothing about the market. As long as you could follow rules, you should be making money in the market. There's enough data that backs the trades up that if you can sit here all day and only take those specific trades, you should make money. Like here's a trade right now. Like, oh, we did the once you break over and trade back through, you can get 10 points. We've done that trade. I've done a bunch of them. A bunch of them. The only trade that didn't work out today, 72, is we've gone up over 50 points. And when we came back down to the opening range, it did not bounce today. That trade was a bust. I also think that trade didn't work out because the 200 was right here and you kind of had a little bounce on the 200. And then once you broke the 200, it was just too many lines of support and whatnot going on around this. But that trade did not work today. Oh, you traded, oh, you out by 5 a.m. NQ and gold? Pretty good day over here in take profit trader land. Bracket gambling isn't working. What happened? Testing bracket. The only account that I'm pissed off about is this one account. Other than that, today was good. Not that I made a bunch of money. I mean, this one's down a little bit. These are up a little bit. All these are up. That's a pro account that's up. Blown 2 evals, 1 pro take profit trade without reaching a payout. Oh, that sucks. Blowing the pro accounts are the worst. Damn, Forex, that's solid. You know what I want to know? Actually, I'm gonna ask. I want to see who trades gold in here. I feel like I'm getting pressured to trade gold. Yo, what up, Corey? I told you that I am so bad. Hey, you know what? You'll get better. I think if you just focus on trades that are backed by actual stats are the way to trade. Silver's better. Can you trade silver on here? Marie was trading platinum. SI, oh, it's on here though. I know SI is the option symbol. Oh, it's fucking 4 o'clock. I just missed doing something. Gold follows structure better for me than NQ. NQ is like a better. Yeah. Dude, I just like NQ because it moves around for me. You know, I definitely get more. I definitely feel like I get a little bit more movement with NQ to make trades. You know, I've never traded silver. I'm so glad to be done with these fucking evals, though. I was trading funded accounts thinking that they were evals today. I did it like 3-4 times today alone. I just want to focus on the funded for the most part. Yo, CPI is going to break us to one way or the other, Horizon. There you go. I set alert. So when we break the day to one side or the other, I'll get an alert. Crispy, baby. I mean, this is one of those things that just chop around, man. It's crazy. The chop is real. Powell continues, I think, at 10 o'clock tomorrow. I think 10 o'clock. Dude, Asia for gold. Yeah, gold is the Asia session. But I got to be able to freaking get off the computer, though. Like, I can't just sit here and trade all day. If I was single, I would be all about it. You know, it's just so hard to sit here and freaking trade all day long. You know? Oh, man. Freaking exhausted. Exhausted. 8:30 tomorrow, baby. I'm trying to find out why this freaking stock was down today. I don't understand. I gotta look. I gotta do my freaking research. I will not give my money back in after hours. I will not do it. Oh, man. All right. What's the plan for tomorrow? One take profit trader 150. I'm going to trade this PA account. So it's this PA account, that account. What else am I going to trade? Yeah, I'm going to give it back. You ain't kidding. Dude, we all suck for not taking that trade today. We were all talking about the short at 850 and just did not fucking take it. We literally missed out on a massive dump. We literally were talking about the short up here. I was in it over here, and then we got it. Just ridiculous. Next time we get it, you better believe I'm fucking jumping in. I am jumping in. Dude, it looks like it's going to snow by me. So bad. Oh, baby. Yo, the sim market makers hosed us. Dude, that would have, I want to start holding trades longer, though. That would have been the perfect freaking trade. Get in, stop loss, and just hold. So stupid. I still don't understand on why this stock is fucking down so much. Oh, man. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Can I request a payout out of this account? That's a better idea, actually. I'm over the threshold. Let's see if they can allow me to take out money before I play CPI on a funded account. Yo, Apex is 80% off again, if you haven't noticed. Request payout. Let's see if I can request a payout. No, they're not going to let me. They denied me last time. The sim market makers. Yo, FTT is 100% off. Yo, I didn't realize that Apex went back to 80% off, though. I've only gotten rebuild. I have not bought a new account. I was letting the rebuilds happen because they changed from 80 to 50. Yo, the Crucial posted in the Discord. That's so funny. Yeah, I'm running CPI tomorrow. I'm trying to think. I feel like the last 2 days just hasn't been great. Freaking been a lot of chop. And we've had the opportunity and we just, I'm going to bring this. So today we had the opportunity right here to short. And we kind of did, but not really. And then even fucking yesterday, man. Yesterday we called it at the top and you had this massive drop and we just didn't do it again. Just didn't freaking do it. Unbelievable. Oh, man. Darrell. Yeah, I need to yo, Garen, what up? I DCA like crazy today and ready to request a payout. So when you request a payout and get denied, what's the minimum profit? It's $50 for 8 days. $50, 8 days. 8 days of trading, but you could flip for 3 days, I think. So you just gotta make $50 for 5 days and you could flip the rest. Is Apex still requiring traders to record their payouts? I have not heard about that recently. Who do you trade with right now, Nurse? Who are you trading with? I would say Apex is fine, to be honest with you. I've been denied once. I've gotten paid every other time. So I really can't complain. Boom, 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 boom. 21,800 is the line in the sand. I think CPI is going to determine everything. Honestly. I don't know. He's on a streak of just destroying accounts. I've talked to him I talk to him on the phone every day. Every night I talk to him. I probably talk to him for an hour on the phone every single day. Like, he was a groomsman in my wedding. Like, you know, he's just going through some shit. I think he just needs to reset, but it's hard to reset. I think in general, people who stream have it much harder. I'm just going to be honest, because obviously you come on the stream, you guys want to see action. You don't want to see me sit here for 3 hours and take no trades, right? So for me personally, I feel forced to trade. And I think he might feel forced to trade also. And also he can't just say, hey, I'm going through some shit. I'll be back in 2 weeks. So it forces him to kind of stay in. And that's the problem. You know, that's kind of been his issue, even with options, is like he knows what to do. It's the mental side of trading that gets to him more than anything else. It's not knowing what to do or anything like that. It's just when he gets on tilt, he just can't say, hey, I'm just gonna stop. It just gets worse. I think he needs just to reset and he'll be fine. It's just, it's just a time thing. I think if he gets some wins under his belt, that's it. Yeah, but yeah, I mean, I've never really watched Matt, you know. I've never watched him. I don't really watch anybody, to be honest with you. I've seen a couple things. Damn, that's a lot. Like I've seen them before, but when I'm not on here, I trade. I'm trading options, I'm trading stocks, so I'm like doing other things. I'll sometimes put somebody's stream on, but like I don't care what he does. Like that doesn't excite me at all. Like I'm usually listening to like market commentary or people's thoughts on companies rather than what he's buying on the futures market. Well, that's the problem. Like you don't want to. I don't want to sit there and watch him not trade. Like what the fuck are we doing here? So that's why I trade as many trades as I do all day, because everybody wants to see fucking action, right? You want to see action? Come over to my channel. Come over to my channel and watch. Flip, you are not entertained? That's why I watch. You watch because I'm fucking, it's one of those things. I can sit here. I really can. Like, if I'm not streaming, I can sit here all day and just wait. I have no problem waiting and not trading. The biggest thing is when I'm on the stream, I overtrade. But that's when I overtrade, I tell you, like, hey, I'm trading this in an eval because I don't want you to think it's a high quality setup. So that's how I kind of make it different. Like, when you see me trade in a funded account, that's a quality trade setup. And when I trade in an eval, most likely I'm just kind of trading because do I think it's an okay setup? Yeah. Do I think I can make money? Yeah, but it's not really worth trading a funded account. So that's kind of how I break it up. Yeah, well, CT, I've been doing this in about 2 years. It's going to be 20 years since I'm trading the markets. I'm 18 years of trading the markets. Like, I've only started trading prop firms like maybe a year ago, but like when I trade my money in my options and stock account, like I have a full thesis and research and things like that I'm used to building. And, I've been doing it for a very long time. It's just, I know when I stream, people want to see a certain thing. And that's why I play the video game evals. I give the people what they want, but if you want to see only the best trades, you wait until I trade this account. I trade this account or I trade some of the other funded accounts. Also, a lot of the funded account trades are ones I've back tested, or indicators I've back tested, things like that. You got to mix up being entertaining as well as insightful, where, I want you guys to be profitable. The idea is for everybody to make money. The more money you make, the better. I want you guys to take payouts. And I know guys like Bartolo has taken payouts and and he said it was cost he's been on the stream. My problem with prop firms is I don't hold my trades long enough. But I know there's people on here that follow me that hold the trades and they make way more. Like, argument's sake, like we were short in this whole thing. I'm sure somebody on this fucking stream went in short They held it and they made a fuck ton of money today. And they probably don't even talk in the chat. But they're making more because they're willing to hold longer. Yeah, well, I mean, that's people go to watch that, CT. I mean, that's what it is. But he's upfront about it. You know, he says if you're not here to learn how to trade, you know, he's going down his own journey. You know, it's fun, it's a hangout, and he is entertaining. I mean, he tells you exactly what it is. He tells you if you're here to learn, it's not the spot. Like, he's 100% upfront about it. You know, he's super entertaining, super fun. You know, I think if he doesn't tilt, he'd make a ton of money. If he didn't tilt, I bet you'd see him pull out massive money. The problem is just the tilt game. I'm sure he'll fix it. He's pulled out a lot of money well, not a lot. I mean, he pulled out 12,000 in December, I think. Maybe 8 or 10 in January, and then just went cold recently. I think it has to do with his finger. You know, his finger's broke. No, I get it. No, I'm not either. I'm just being honest with you. And if he was in here, I would say the same thing. I just think, you know, it's just, I think he's having a real rough patch, but he'll get through it. You know, I think he'll get through it. And it's just once he loses, he just can't stop. He just can't fucking stop. But people like it. People definitely like it. Man, I want to trade more. Dude, it's in the I'll put it in the Discord. Just look, it's 0-day J. But yeah, man, it's just, he'll get through it. Oh, man. The day is over, but I have not. Dude, look at this. Right back in this breaker block and dropped. Isn't that weird how shit like that works? So weird. I haven't scratched my trading itch for the day, to be honest with you. Look at that. There are a couple of things that I can't believe they play out all the time on the higher time frames. It's just so wild how it works. You know, like, if you just look, like, even if I pull up the 5, like, I'll just pull up the 5 for you guys. Like, it's just so amazing how these candle formations happen, and it's always like the bottom. I don't trade after hours. I've never back tested that, but like there, this doesn't count because you're already downtrending. You only play the bearish if you're in an uptrend, and I don't do it before 9:30. Just so wild how the things just work over and over again. Caught it right here to the upside. Look, and then right here again, catches this one right to the downside. That was Friday. Over and over again. Crazy. Somebody told me about it. It just works well on the 5. But I've been back testing it on, what do you call it? I've been just looking at the higher time frames to get bigger moves is really where I'm at. I kind of want to short. How's that sound? What time? 4:25. Do I want to do this? Do I want to do this? I do not want to do this. I might, by the way, trade to get 3. This is you're gonna think I'm crazy. I might trade CPI to get 3 points on 5 contracts and copy trade multiple accounts at the same time. If I do that, if I copy trade 3 accounts, 5 contracts for only 3 points, the probability of hitting is great, and it's $300 in each account. I might do that. I don't know. It's ballsy. It's definitely ballsy. I pulled up MGC. Hold on. What's MGC? I'm not all good with the little acronyms. What's MGC? I'll pull it up also. You don't know what you're looking at? What's MGC stand? Oh, micro gold. You're probably on the wrong contract. It's J5 is where you're at. You got to be in J. You got to go one more month out than NQ. My question is, what if I put that on this one? Gold futures. Let's see what happens. Does it catch the tops and bottoms? Dude, that shit works right here. I probably wouldn't have played that because you're going down. I would have played this one right here. The whole chart is a fair value gap. I wouldn't play fair value gaps, I don't think. I don't know. I don't know. Bearish engulfing would have worked. This would have been fucking close. Let's go back. The thing with gold is it moves. Oh, shit. Look at that. See, that's what you want to see is an uptrend, 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 and then you get the bearish engulfing. The problem is even on the downside, down, 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 you get this. Like you would technically play that, but I'm not playing that at night. I don't know if these indicators even work. Nice. Like, I don't know. I'll be honest with you, I'm not feeling it on crude. Not on crude. I'm not feeling it on gold. Like that would have been the top, and then I would have gotten hosed. What else is there? There's crude oil. I don't fucking know, man. This is dangerous. See, like the indicators don't matter. Like nothing matters. I don't know how people trade this shit. I think I'm out on it. I think I'm out on that without a doubt. I'm out on it. What indicators do you guys use on gold that work? Just wondering. Because I don't fucking see anything that works. Oh, well, this doesn't work. That's not going to work. You use the UT bot on what, the 5 minute? Are you on the 5? You use it on the 1? Dude, I don't know about that. I don't know. Oh, I use Replicanto on NinjaTrader. I use Replicanto. This is what it looks like. You basically just choose the leader account, and then you just click which ones you want to buy, which ones you want to use also. My Bullnox account ended up 330, the funded account, 330 in the green. What if you did like gold, GC? I'm just curious what it looks like. That's not what I wanted to do. GC, I just want to see this real quick. What if you trade like higher time frames? Can somebody tell me, like, if I would have sold at like $3 on gold, how much would that give me? $3 on gold with like one contract, $3 on gold is like, what would that net me on minis? $300. I just don't like how it. I don't like any of these. What do you guys use when you trade in gold? Like, are you what indicators are you using? I'm trying to find a batch of indicators that I like. What I like, and it just seems like a lot of stuff just doesn't work. Yo, on the hourly, it works. On the hourly, it's interesting. Would have hit, would have hit. That just opened, wouldn't have played. Probably would have hit there, 67, $5. Would it hit? Would it hit? Actually, on the hourly, this isn't bad. Would it hit? Wouldn't have played. Would have played that to the downside. Would have played this to the downside. I would have played that to the upside. This to the down. Actually, on the hourly, these are pretty fucking bangers. Now my question is, it's on the hourly. Oh shit, we just had a bearish engulfing on the hourly. Here, you guys want me to play this shit? Oh, this closes at 5 o'clock though, right? 5 o'clock gold closes. I might play gold to the downside. I might play the hourly on gold with small contracts and let it move around and just see what happens. Oh, shit. Dude, I am freaking... All right, I'm jumping off. I might play gold on the hourly using those indicators. I'm definitely playing CPI tomorrow. If you want, I might go live on Discord. Here's the Discord. It's free. I might go live on the Discord at like 8:20 tomorrow if you want to watch the news, and then I'll be live on YouTube at 10:30. I don't think the NQ is going to go one way or another pretty far today, only because we have NQ in the morning. Yeah. I just don't want to set up YouTube at 8:30 and then again, and then again at 10. Like, it's just easy for me to jump on Discord for 20 minutes, smash some fucking news, and then see you guys again at 10:30. So no, Replicanto is for Ninja Trader. If you want to copy trades on Tradeovate, go here, manage groups, create a group, and then you can make it right there, and then you trade the groups. That's how you do it on Tradeovate. All right. Peace. I'm out.